Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you an AI concierge that handles WhatsApp and Instagram messages around the clock. And unlike a basic chatbot, it remembers every conversation, qualifies leads by intent, and writes it all back to your CRM. Most chat automations start from scratch every time. Your leads feel it, and your best prospects bounce. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Okay, this is the automation for Access Metagene. I wanted to show you the 4 quadrants on my screen. Top left quadrant, Airtable, that stores all inbound traffic. You could see there's one from Instagram and one from WhatsApp. On the right side is my Instagram chat. Bottom right hand is my WhatsApp chat. And left bottom is the actual workflow that is now published in your metagene.n8n.cloud. The idea was broken into 2 phases, which we're going to demonstrate as one, because it's all working together now. If you notice, I'm going to type a message in, and you should see something here in the Instagram source. It's going to run through the automation, and you could see that it's actually picking up the automation that ran through well. And you also notice that there was a reply back. All right. So it answered my hello message. And I'm going to ask about local foods. It's going to remember that I said hello, and we've continued the conversation. I'm going to say hello here from WhatsApp. And these are treated as 2 separate conversations. The WhatsApp conversation is going to update here. I'm going to say I am interested in schools. It's going to reply back. See how I activated down here. And it's going to update that particular notes message, keeping all the records. I'm just going to reference types of schools. It should reference previous conversations and know that I'm talking about schools. So here it says Christian schools, Catholic schools. So it does have memory of previous conversations, and all of that is stored here in the notes section. I had quite a bit of conversation history. And that is it. Look forward to upgrading this further. I think a good upgrade would be to link this to a CRM so that you can tie into your meetings and create a pipeline. Thank you.
So that's the AI concierge in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit onealtx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.